and everything with flight has to have safety built in.
Yeah.
And that's at the heart of our industry, isn't it? So
yeah, I mean, and the drone manufacturers are, they've taken note of that, and they are starting to. Well, not starting to. They've been doing it for a while. They're putting sensors in their aircraft that will give some warning for the operator to stop and sense and avoid.
Yeah,
which is what it's generally called.
Yeah.
Which is great.
Yeah,
but nothing beats eyes on. You can have as many sensors as you want around that thing.
Yeah,
you can't rely on all of them to work all the time.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, the person that has the controller in their hand is controlling that aircraft.
Yeah.
They should be aware of what they're doing, the safety aspects, and the hazards that could pop up at any moment.
Yeah, and they're the ultimate person in charge and responsible. So they have to do that. Yeah. But yeah, all of that said, I guess we don't want to sort of dissuade people from
we don't want to put people off
from vertical missions or vertical flights. I think that vertical missions are challenging,
yes,
but they are possible. And they just require patience, skill, learning, and they are rarer than some of the other mission types. So we think that, it can be a great differentiating factor for a lot of people that are doing these missions, because the data they're collecting may not be possible to collect in other ways, especially when drones are competing with, let's say, satellite or any other type of data. I think the vertical data can be very hard to get from any other source. And either it's too expensive if you use something like a cherry picker to do that inspection, or it's
scaffolding.
Scaffolding.
Scaffolding is the expense. It's got to go up. You've got to get up there, have a look at it. Then it's got to come down. It's, whereas drones make those sort of operations easier, less time consuming, and probably cheaper.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Unless you're a cowboy and you're charging loads of money. But, in general, they are cheaper and quicker.
100%.
To do.
Yeah.